Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Wix email campaigns. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open your website dashboard. From the left side menu, click Marketing and SEO, then select Email Marketing. This is where you can create, manage, and track all of your email campaigns. Next, click Create Email Campaign to start a new campaign. You can choose a pre-designed template or start with a blank layout. Select the option that best fits your business or the type of email you want to send. Once the email editor opens, customize your campaign by editing the text, adding images, buttons, logos, social media links. Click on any element to change its content or drag in new elements from the left panel to match your brand. After designing your email, click Next to continue. Enter your email subject line and sender details, then choose the audience you want to send the campaign to. You can select existing contacts or create a new contact list if needed. Before sending your email, click Preview to see how it will appear on desktop and mobile devices. When you're satisfied, click Send to deliver your campaign immediately, or choose Schedule if you want to send it at a later date. After your campaign has been sent, return to Marketing and SEO and open Email Marketing. Select your campaign to view reports such as delivery rate, open rate, click rate, and other performance metrics. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Wix email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.